Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Piscifun ICX Frost ice fishing reel. Now the ratio is going to be 2 to 7 to 1. That's your your retrieve rate. So let's open it up. 1/4-inch foam to protect it. You're going to have a parts list here, which is very nice. So if you ever have any problems with that, you have something go wrong, you're gonna know what it is. You bend your handle or something. Okay, A9. That's my handle, right? So what's this? C10. C10. It's your frame cover plate. Okay. So you can know what to get if you do it. Oh, stuff on the back. Shows you how to remove the spool. You're gonna need to know this in order to spool your line. Today I'm gonna be using 4-pound Suffix Advance. This is ice line, comes with 50 yards, but as you can see on the side of the box, oh, that's nice, comes in a nice bag, but on the side of the box, it tells you I'm going to be using 4-pound line. It's going to be 213 yards. This here, it's only 50 yards, so I'm going to have to put backer on there. So I'm not going to put 163 yards of 6-pound because it's going to be a different length because 6-pound is thicker than the 4-pound. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do my calculations, but it's going to be somewhere in probably 100 yards. Probably I'll put on of 6-pound line as my backer, and then I'll be going to my 4-pound as my main line. Okay, and then I'll even use like a uni on uni knot. And then I'll, so let's see. Yeah, nothing else in there, right? Yeah. So I'll do a uni on uni, and I'll be using like a 3-pound line or a 2-pound line for those finicky fish. But a lot of times I'm just going to be running my 4-pound line straight to my lure. But okay, or my or my hooks and whatever I'm using. Okay, so let's open this up. Comes in a nice soft bag. First impression, very, very nice looking. So this is all CNC'd handle. Your drag system right here. I like that click. Shows it's actually working. That's CNC'd as well. Yeah, this here is going to be carbon fiber, aluminum. So this is CNC'd aluminum, just to let you know. Even your trigger, that's carbon fiber, and that's going to help keep down that weight as well, the carbon fiber. Okay, so when I hold my reel, I'm going to be holding it like this most of the time. And I picked this reel here because on this side here, if my hands on there, I potentially gonna be touching the spool and then creating friction, and that's gonna, affect my rate of drop, and I'm not gonna like that, and it's gonna affect me when I'm reeling in a fish too, right? Like I can grab this whole thing, like I can grab the whole thing, not touch my reel. So if I press this in, my spool doesn't turn. Okay, so let's do the rated drops. Let's turn this all the way to min. Now this is going to allow that spool to free spool really easily. Press this trigger and let's see how long it spins. Ready? See the light. Quite some time. Now when I release this trigger as it's spinning, this should stop instantly. Let's see. Perfect. I like it. Works great. I like it. Now let's go all the way to max. A lot of free play in there. See how many times I spun that thing? So there's a lot of control on your rated drop. So you can go from like a 16th, all the way up. Doesn't matter what it is. You just test it out. You want to make sure you're controlling your drag. You don't want to have real heavy weight and have it on min, so it drops really fast. Because what's going to happen? You're not paying attention. Hits the bottom. This thing here is going to keep on spinning, right? So on max, look at, see, doesn't spin quite as much. Same thing. Stop it. So I like that. That's a very good thing. So what you do is essentially you just unscrew this right here, and then you can pop this, give it a turn, and then there's something else that you unscrew there. You pull that off, and then essentially I guess you can get that spool off. I'm not sure, but it's beautiful. I really like it. You know, they say it's 6.6 ounces. It feels light, man. It really does. It feels comfortable in the hand. I like the size of it in my hand. Like, it's not too big, it's not too small. It kind of just feels perfect. I can't wait to put it on a rod and see how it feels. My weight distribution. I am going to be buying a new rod for this reel. Because I want an ultralight, and I'm kind of going towards the 13 fishing. Their tickle stick. I like how they have that action on that tip. You know, it shows like the up bite, shows your down bites. I really like that. I run mainly I run St. Croix Mojo ice fishing reels, but I've never tried fishing 13. I've been doing a lot of research over the years, and I haven't pulled the trigger yet, but this is the year. That's what's going to be going onto this reel. I'll do another video on the ice with that. But keep fit, have fun, and tight lines. Hope you enjoyed.